Today I will be making a cuddled egg. So I have this porcelain egg cuddler which I'm gonna use, and then I have some butter and I have some seasoning. So the butter, I will put it inside this egg cuddler, and then you can use whatever egg you want, but I'm using mine, the organic brown egg. So what is a cuddled egg? Basically, it is like a boiled egg, a soft boiled egg. Eat just like as it is, or you can eat with a toast. So for me, I'll just be using the egg, a little bit of seasoning. My seasoning is salt with the garlic. It doesn't matter what kind of seasoning you want. You can use also different kinds of toppings if you want, but for me this is just simple. So I have 2 eggs that I will be using, and I have 2 cuddlers, and I will be using this garlic salt seasoning. So I will just sprinkle just a little bit, enough for my taste, and here goes. After that, I will be closing the lid of the egg cuddler. So when you close it, don't close it too tight. You want a little bit of moisture to go in when you start boiling it. So this is how you do it. Close it all the way in, not too tight, and return one thread, if that will be good, as long as when you carry it, your cuddler doesn't drop. So after that, we have to drop it in a boiling water. Some people, they like very soft cuddled egg, so they just put it like 5 minutes. But for me, I like a little bit harder, not too soft, not too runny, with a little bit of how you call it, softness inside, a little runny, but not too runny, I mean. So we have to boil it for like 8 minutes, and after that, careful to open when you open because it's hot. So now I'm wiping the top of the egg cuddler, and I used 8 minutes for mine. I used the timer for this. So if you really want to make it perfect, you have to use a timer. I did mine for 8 minutes, and then I open it, and we will look. See, as you can see, it's still a little bit soft, a little bit runny, but not too runny and not too hard. But if you want a little bit softer than this, you can put lesser time. So this is perfect. You can eat as it is, or you can serve it with a toast. So this is my cuddled egg. Enjoy!